Starting Wednesday, I know that many parents are worried about our schools, and tomorrow and Tuesday, those schools will no longer be open. On Wednesday, the school district will be opening 60 centers where students and families can get food, and 40 of those are parent resource centers.
I was happy and mad at the same time because that day we skipped PE class and we were watching a movie, and then they paused it and they told us that we were gonna go off for a vacation like for 2 weeks, and we were all happy. Everybody was celebrating. Some people were throwing water, and then like a week and a half later, they said that we were gonna go for another 2 weeks, and then people were still happy, but I didn't like it because they said something, and then we couldn't come back, and then I couldn't play soccer because we couldn't do nothing.
But I just miss hanging out with my friends, and during nutrition and lunch we would sit together and eat lunch together, and we would always just talk, and that's some things that I would miss. And also seeing my teachers, being in class just made me feel more better. But
I want to go back to school.
You want to go back to school now? Why? What do you miss the most?
How can I say? Right now, school is online only. Back then you could see your friends and talk to them, and right now you only get to teach. The teachers only teach. You can't talk to your friends or nothing.
Hanging out with other kids my age and just feeling we can all share our opinions. When we do debates, we would all share our opinions. We would all talk about the same topic, and it would just it would just be fun.
Que como estábamos en el COVID, la niña y el niño se quedaron sin actividades. No podíamos salir, entonces nosotros no salimos mucho, pero igual en vacaciones uno los mete a la clase de natación o va a parques. Y pues estando encerrados, me preocupé un poquito de que no tuvieran que hacer todo el día en la tablet. No. Me daba como angustia. O sea, todo el día viendo YouTube. No.
My name is Daisy. I work for the program. I'm a program coordinator for the Youth Enrichment Program. Like Norma said, it was supposed to only be for the 3 months during summer, but due to the children's need and the academics challenges that they're encountering, especially during this time, a lot of the kids expressed that they only have about 3 hours, 4 hours of actual curriculum taught during Zoom. I think the program itself, we try to help them as much as we can with the tutoring, social skills, academic skills. A lot of them express a decrease in self-confidence, self-esteem, but through the services and through the programs, we have seen an increase in themselves expressing that they're able to communicate more with their siblings, with their parents. They have developed coping mechanisms, self-esteem. They learn better communication skills. So this is a great example of that. We have put together, these are 5 of our youth leadership group members that have excelled our expectations, where they started 6 months ago and now where they're at. So now we're putting together a group where they tell us what they want. So they come up with ideas of PowerPoints, workshops, presenters they want. They wanted the Green Initiative. They wanted to learn about cultural differences, self-esteem, college, application. So they came up with ideas of what they want to learn more of. And I think it's because of the decrease of services. Some of them were supposed to do after school programs and band and all these other stuff. So
what the Youth Enrichment Program offered us: a chance to have a voice. We get to express our feelings during check-in and debates, interact with others, build new relationships via online, a space to learn and connect with people without face-to-face contact, social skills, and how to make more friends. The importance of data collection. We learned to collect data by doing science experiments. Knowledge on animal cell. We learned about this topic and made one ourselves. The knowledge of the ecosystem. We learned about this topic and made one ourselves by making a terrarium, a place to be yourself. This is a place where we are able to relax and be ourselves.
this program has been a positive outlet for kids during the pandemic.
And then this slide is kind of giving you guys a visual on our family bonding activities. So we actually facilitated our first family event last week. We actually assisted all the families. We had a total of 45 clients, including the children and their families. We had parents, we had fathers, we had even grandparents all log in. We showed them how to bake pies.
Siento que cuando ella entra a las tutorías, pues se llaman tutorías, ¿no? Ella sale como un poquito más relajada, es más fácil hablar con ella, ¿no? Bueno, ella siempre ha tenido muy buena autoestima, pero siento que eso le da como tranquilidad, como que la veo feliz, como que siento que no es un espacio perdido, es diferente. En cambio ustedes, pues veo que tocan temas importantes de la adolescencia, la droga, la autoestima.
And tutoring has like helped me and my sisters with homework and just like talking, because like Mariana, she doesn't really like show her emotions that much. So with like tutoring, she like, when we do the where we like all get to like talk about like how we feel or whatever, or like how's our weekend, like I get to like see like Mariana's like what she's actually feeling, or like how she felt about the weekend or whatever. So like I get to see what more of her feelings than what like I like before. I wouldn't really get to like, because she doesn't like express her emotions that much, so I got to see that more, and it just helped us like help my family like me and Mariana don't fight as much as we would. In the kitchen, like usually it's just my mom or like who makes the food. Like sometimes we don't really help, we just like help making, like setting the table, or just like making drinks or whatever. And so when we made the spaghetti, it was like we all gotta like help in the kitchen more, and it was just fun. And also the apple pie, we all gotta like interact with each other and making like playing loteria. We were all just like trying to win, and just we were all laughing, and it was fun.
There's like a lot of games that we do, but I just enjoy like talking to each other, like talking about like what's going on, stuff like that.
Lo único que les puedo decir es que gracias por todos los servicios que nos han brindado antes y ahorita que estamos pasando por todo esto. Pues yo sé que algunos lugares los han cerrado por todo esto, que no ha habido fondos y todo lo que está pasando, pero pues ustedes siguen ahí. Pues yo les digo muchas gracias a todos, porque te digo, no nada más nos hemos beneficiado nosotros, sino han sido muchas familias, y en diferentes formas, te digo, que tanto como en la comida, en el apoyo, en diferentes cosas que, aunque yo ya terminé algunas clases, todavía como María Duarte de repente me habla: ¿cómo estás? ¿Ocupas algo? ¿Ocupas ayuda? Entonces eso se siente bonito, que aunque se haya salido de esos programas, todavía te lleguen esos mensajes, y más así cuando estás sola o estás pasando por estos momentos, se siente bonito. Y pues por eso te digo gracias a todos los que trabajan ahí, a todos los que pues dan esos fondos para que siga el programa.
Just thank you. Yeah, just like keep on doing this, like helping other kids is like, if I were like doing that, I would just feel happy, like because it has helped us a lot in our family, or like school, and like all that stuff.
Pero yo quiero pues como decirles algo muy importante, y es que esa pregunta no me la hicieron.
Okay.
Pero yo quiero agradecerles porque ustedes son unas señoras muy cálidas. Es como impresionante. Es como si uno tuviera una amiga, ¿no? Anel siempre me está llamando. señora, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo le ha ido? Pero ella siempre me comenta todo, siempre me pregunta, ella está pendiente, como que uno tiene esa facilidad para hablar con ustedes, siempre están disponibles, siempre están happy. Yo creo que, pues no debe ser así, ¿no? Ustedes deben tener sus preocupaciones, pero ustedes siempre están ¿cómo se dice? Como dadas para el momento y para los niños, ¿no? Entonces yo quería pues como felicitarlas y agradecerles porque creo que sin esa calidad humana de ustedes el programa no tendría el éxito que tiene.
Oh yeah, that like I think it's really cool what they do because it's like a lot of fun and it's just kind of like a nice place to like kind of relax. Like even though I have like a bunch of homework, it's still like relaxing in some kind of way being with them. Like I can be stressful before it, but then like while I'm in it or like after, I'll be like happy.
Gracias.
No, gracias a ustedes, gracias también a ustedes por todo lo que hacen por estos niños, por la comunidad, porque en sí es todas las familias, no más los niños, sino también con nosotros como padres, también recibimos mucho y especialmente porque vienen también de lo que reciben las niñas y los niños.